Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss about simplification of rational numbers without steps and again with steps. That means writing problems are there. Those also we have to simplify the rational numbers. Without steps also there are certain simplifications for the rational numbers. Let us see page number 35. Third question in that fifth bit. In question 3, fifth bit, the fractions given in the bracket are written. Again minus symbol. Other fractions which are given also written in the separately second bracket. There is a common table for us to cancel them. As we are cancelling the rational numbers, we have to cancel here also. See once here 7 and 35 both are cancelled. Which table? 7th table. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Again saying 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Cancelled with 7th table. Same way for these two, what common table is there for us to cancel? Are you thinking there is a common table for them? Yes, that is the 13th table. 13 ones 13, 13 threes are 39. So the first bracket for rational numbers were cancelled. Second minus symbol as it is taken. The other bracket part we have to cancel. 7 and 14. What is the common table for 7 and 14? 7th table. Correct. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Is it clear for you? Next 90 and 18. Children, do you know 18th table? How much is 18 fives are? Is it 18 fives are is 90 only? Yes. So 18th table we can use to cancel that. 18 ones are 18, 18 fives are 90. Now cancellations are over. Remaining part we will write. See here, minus into minus, minus into minus. Minus into minus is a plus symbol. 5 into 1 gives you 5 by 3 into 1 gives you 3. Is it clear, students? 5 ones 5 by 3 ones 3. Minus into minus is plus symbol. So that is with the plus symbol only. Now here minus symbol is there. Here minus symbol. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. That's why plus is written. 1 into 1 is 1 by 5 twos are 10. So 1 by 10 we have got. Now denominators are not same. So we have to take LCM to simplify that. LCM of 3 and 10. Their LCM is 30. So we want to change every denominator to the LCM number called 30. So 5 by 3 written into 3 tens are only 30. So 10 is required in the denominator. Same 10 I have to write in the numerator. We know this procedure. Again plus symbol. Within the bracket, this 1 by 10 I have written. 10 should multiply with 3. 10 into 3 gives our LCM. That's why 3 is written. Same 3 I have to write in the numerator also as per the procedure. Then next 5 tens 50 by 3 tens are 30. Again plus symbol. 1 threes are 3 by 10 threes are 30. Now both the denominators are 30. The fractions what we have got having same denominator, that is only 30. So common denominator I have written. Numerators are written as it is with the symbol. 50 plus 3 gives you 53 by 10. Sorry, 53 by 30. Numerator is bigger than the denominator and no common table to cancel them. So we should go to divide that to get the mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction what we got is 123 by 30. If we divide the 53 with 30th table, you will get 123/30. That is only the final answer for that question called the simplified form. Is it clear, students? Next we will see here writing sum or verbal sum is the steps we have to write, and same concept can be used. Steps are little extra. Let us see. Cost, that is the fourth question. Same page number 35 only. Fourth question. Cost of 1 meter of cloth given. 1 meter cloth cost is given as 325 and 1/2 rupees. Then they said us to find the cost of 3 1/2 meters of cloth. That we have to identify. Here is a little example for you. Suppose 1 meter cloth, cost of 1 meter cloth is suppose 10 rupees. Can you find the cost of 3 meters of cloth? 1 meter cloth cost is 10 rupees. Then can you find the cost of 3 meters of the same cloth? Is it not 30 rupees? Then how can you get this 30 rupees as our answer? Just multiplication. How many meters of cloth we required in the example? 3 meters of cloth. What is the cost of 1 meter cloth? We said 10 rupees. 3 into 10 rupees gives you 30 rupees. In the same way we have to multiply here both the values. How much cloth is required? 3 1/2 meters. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? 325 and 1/2 rupees. Just multiplication gives you the answer for us. So that only we are doing. Now this is mixed fraction. We should convert into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7/2 denominator into 325 into 2. 325 into 2, 650. What is the product? 325 into 2 gives you 650. 650 should add with 1 now. Then 651 by the denominator 2 as it is. Now no common table to cancel. These two, no common table to cancel. These two also don't have any common table to cancel. Here also don't have any common table. Here also don't have any common table to cancel them. So only one method for us to do again. That is only multiplication. Denominators 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. I have written by multiplying them. Numerator 7 and 651. If I multiply in the rough, we will get answer 4557. Now also no common table to cancel. So we have to divide in the rough to get a mixed fraction. That is only 1139 1/4 rupees. It is the cost of 3 1/2 meters of cloth which is required. That is only the final answer is 1139 and 1/4 rupees. Is it clear, students? Just by multiplication we have identified the value of the cloth, that is 303 1/2 meters of cloth. Now let us go for the same page, question number 5. Same concept is needed for us. That is also a writing question only. Writing steps are there. See here. Speed of a bus. Buses are having speed, no? Same way cars and all those also having. Here speed of a bus given 65 1/2 kilometers per 1 hour. If we sit in the bus, that bus will take 65 1/2 kilometers distance. That too for 1 hour of time for us. Then what did he ask? Find the distance covered by the same bus in 1/3 hours of time. 1/3 mixed fraction. Suppose a car is there for us, car or a bus. 1 hour of time it can move suppose 40 kilometers. That means in 1 hour if you sit in the bus, if that bus is moving and in the journey on the road with some speed, that is only 40 kilometers. In 1 hour of time it can cover 40 kilometers of distance. In 2 hours how much distance will it cover? So 1 hour is 40 kilometers. 2 hours how much distance will it cover? So 2 into 40 gives you the distance covered by the same bus in 2 hours of time. 2 into 40 gives you 80 kilometers. Is it correct, children? That means multiplication. Time should multiply with the speed of the bus to get the total distance covered by the bus. The same way, the distance covered by the same bus in 1 by 3 hours of time is equal to 1 by 3 into, that is 65 1 by 2 kilometers. Then 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 4 by 3 into 65 into 2 gives you 130. 130 plus 1 gives you 131 by 2. Now 4 and 2 having a common table, that is 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, cancellation. Now 3 and 131 won't have any common table to cancel. 3 and 2 also won't have. Then finally we have reached a position to multiply the denominators as well as numerators. 3 once 3, we have got the denominator. That is 2 into 131 gives you 262. 262 by 3. Then finally, no common table, then we have to divide like this. In the rough work it is. Don't write this rough work in the classwork. For you to understand how to get the mixed fraction as our answer, I have given this rough work. So with the 3 table, we should divide the 262. 3 8s are 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. Then 2 dropped. Now 22 is ready to get the division with the 3 table. 3 7s are 21. Then the remainder is 1. And nothing is there to drop again. So we are unable to continue our division with 3 table because 1 is smaller than the 3. So we are unable to continue our division. Now what is the answer? 87, and this remainder 1 by our divisor 3. Like that we got a mixed fraction as answer called 87 1 by 3 kilometers. The bus can cover a distance in 1 by 3 hours of time is equal to 87 1 by 3 kilometers. That is called mixed fraction. In the previous answers also, we have got mixed fractions as our answers. Those also we can get by doing the divisions in the same way. This rough work you cannot write in the classwork. It is just for you to understand. I have written here. The other part we have to write in the classwork with the help of the photo of the blackboard, which I am going to send to you. The sums which are left by me here and there in different places, you just practice in the practice book. Is it clear, students? I hope today's teachings are very clear for you, and with the new other part we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.